Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm first week read. This reading is gonna be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for Leos for the first week of June time, start from the 1st to the 7th of June 2021. Um, I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. Leos, see, it seems like you really don't have to take any action towards what you want. It seems like you are going to be the magnet to whatever it is that you desire in this week time. Now, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with as well. So just pick how it is resonating with you, because I feel like somebody is really not gonna need to take any action when it comes to the physical action. But yes, I do see somebody's getting like a magnet to everything that they desire, be that in love, work, home life situation. Something is working out well for you. I feel like it can be your energy, but for others of you, maybe it's not going to be your energy. It can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with, and in that case you will have to do the effort. But let's see what else is coming for the Leos for this week time. Let's begin. The Hierophant, the Hermit, Page of Pentacles. Wow. I feel like you will be on the receiving end of something good this week time. It can be a marriage proposal, it can be a new job offer, it can be if there is something that you have been waiting for. It can be a visa process, job opportunity, legal matters, court cases, something that you have been waiting on for, which can involve legal matter as well. You are going to get that good news around it. You are going to get the justice, be that in love, work, home life situation. You are going to be the chosen one. Even if it comes to your love life, maybe you were on the waiting side of a proposal from your person, and you had your fears, doubts around it, but then you maybe worked on yourself, you pulled away from a specific someone, you kind of felt like no, you don't want to take more action towards that one person. If they want, they have to make the effort this time around, and if that's you, trust me, your person is coming forward with something beautiful to offer to you. This person, this message, this news is going to be very unexpected. You might not be expecting it to come this week time. Maybe you believe that yes, it will happen because you worked on yourself, you worked on your confidence around it, you worked on your skills, and you knew that something good will come for you, be that in this person's from this person or somebody new. You were waiting for something good to come your way. So I feel like you are definitely getting the good news around it. Now for some of you, maybe you have two choices, and you have to choose one out of those two things: two proposal, two people, two exes, two job offers, two things to choose from. But both of them are going to be good. But yes, I feel like one of them is definitely very unexpected for you to receive a message, call from. It can be two exes, it can be two love offers, it can be two job opportunities as well. But trust me, both are going to be good, and you are becoming a magnet. So it's like, again, you will be attracting a lot of offers coming your way, be that in love, work, home life situation. You will be having a lot of opportunities coming your way to attract more money, if that's the case, that you know um in your work life situation. Let's take more cards. Two of Wands. But you have a specific plan to go about. It's more like the offers, the things that are working out for you. You have a specific plan in your mind that this is how I want it to be. If this offer, this person, this situation gives you exactly what you have planned for, you're gonna go and accept it, which I believe you will. And then we do have the Eight of Pentacles. Underneath the deck, we do have the World. Underneath that, we do have the King of Swords. Underneath that, the Strength. Underneath that, the Seven of Swords. And Page of Swords. Okay. Wow. it seems like, whatever you are getting, you might have had some sort of a disappointment around it earlier. Like I said, you chose not to take any physical action because you felt like, you will never get what you wanted if you continue doing the same things over and over again. You have to do things differently. That's exactly working out well for you, and you are getting something that you kind of, had pulled yourself away from. So things will sort out, evolve on its own. You were not putting any physical effort, but the mental one. Now for some of you, you are manifesting something. It's more like, knowingly or unknowingly, you manifested an offer coming your way this week time. Now it's your choice, your call to take this offer or not. For some of you, you might not take this offer. Why? Because you would feel like, now I don't want this. You would have this thing in your mind that now I want it in a specific way. If it doesn't work out that way, I don't want it. Now, in that situation too, I feel like, for some of you might be saying no to a specific someone and choose the other person. Again, it will be different for different people. It can be happening in your work life. It can be, you have a choice to make, and you have two options or more maybe, but yes, you will be the one making the choice. You will be the one deciding for yourself. You are not going to be the, you are not going to be the one who will be like, chosen by your person. It's more like you are going to be the one choosing them or not. Let's see what the oracle has to offer. What is the message from the oracles? Let's see. Manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. I feel like, again, you are attracting a lot of things that you have once wished for. For some of you, you might not need those wishes to be granted now. I don't know why I'm picking up that energy, but that is definitely happening. I feel like, you are, the things that you once wished, you are getting them all, but then maybe you don't want them now. If you wanted to marry an ex and now you have moved on, your ex will be coming forward to offer you love as well. So I do see you are attracting lots of offers coming up in this week time. Look at the bigger picture. I feel like, you are looking at the bigger picture. You really want something different this time around in your life. For some of you, you might say no to love life because you are too focused on yourself right now. So that could be the case for some of you as well. Your dreams need a practical plan. I feel like, for some of you, your ex could come back in, but maybe they and your the way you want your things in your life right now is different. Maybe you both are not on the same page now, so maybe you're not going to choose them. But I do see a past person coming in. Step out of your comfort zone. I feel like, for some of you, you are so habitual to the fact that you are, going to do the things that you want to do rather than, letting somebody else control your life or your life decision. Now, in that situation, I feel like, maybe you are so addicted or habitual to taking yourself or putting yourself on the pedestal that it's hard for you this time around to let this person come in your life and give them what they want this time around. So I feel like, you are more like practicing self-love to the point where you are rocking it, like, it's more of that energy. Let's see, what else do we have? But I feel like, the person that is coming back to you will have high expectations, but I feel like, you're not going to give them a chance for majority of you. Your emotions are healing, which enables you to open to greater love. I will help you release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and mind. I feel like, the universe is definitely going to help you heal. And I feel like, it has already helped many of you to heal. And now you want things a specific way. If it is working out the way you want, you're going to go for it. If it is not, you're not going to take anything coming from a person from the past or new as well. I feel like, you are attracting miracles in your life, and you are in the perfect zone where you can have whatever you want. So make sure you know what you exactly want, and you don't have to settle in for anything less than that. For your decisions, your angels are aware that you have concerns, but be assured that there is nothing to worry about. Now, if you're not ready to take a decision of accepting a love offer, thinking that, it's just going to disrupt your inner peace if you let this person back in your life, know that nothing bad will happen to you as long as you keep yourself on the pedestal. So just go with it if you want to go for that. Stand your ground and know that heaven is shining its divine light upon the decision and situation, and all is being healed. Take time to review all the details thoroughly. Forgiveness will bring peace to everyone involved. Now, for some of you, it's going to be hard for you to forgive a past person, but still, give it a thought. If this person matches your desire, maybe you can give this person another chance. But yes, I do see a past person coming in with something to offer. Maybe you're gonna give them a chance, or if not, then still you will be happy doing whatever you are doing, so it's all good. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.